Alright, this video is about one of the 16 cars that I have in my driveway that I never use and just sit here. And one of the problems you have when a car just sits in your driveway is you have too many things and your garage is too crowded and you never get to use it, is sometimes you get flat tires. And according to my wife, she says that a car in the driveway with a flat tire is going to reduce the value of our home. So I'm on a mission today to fix that tire and hopefully increase the value of our home. And in case anybody's wondering, what you're looking at here is a 1986 Pontiac Fiero GT with 81,000 and change original miles, and it's pretty clean. The interior is in great shape. Dashboard is not cracked. It's warping a bit, along with some of the interior pieces starting to kind of warp a little bit and lose some of the decals or writing on some of the switches and knobs, but overall it's a good shape. Steering wheel kind of melted a little bit, became like tacky and sticky and disgusting, so we're just gonna ignore that. Overall, it's a great car. My wife loves going out into town, just me and her, get ice cream in the Fiero. Isn't that right? She says it makes us look high class, so to speak, in a non-threatening and non-pretentious way. Anyways, I've had this slow leak in the back tire, and I'm just gonna make a short video on plugging that and bringing this beautiful machine back to its glory, having 4 tires holding 32 pounds of pressure indefinitely. All right, let's get started. No, these aren't the actual lug nuts. These are just caps. Because I would have superhuman strength if that was the case. And no, I'm not a mechanic. I play one on a YouTube channel. In case you're wondering, Marissa. Oh man, that sounds terrible. Turn the regulator up a bit. Okay, Marissa? Let's see if this 30-year-old air tool from Costco with the brand Hurricane actually works. Has a customer service number right on the sticker. That's a good sign. Hey, look at that. Alright, spray a little water. Okay, Maris?
Okay.
Look for the bubblies. I'm not telling you to go inside and get champagne, Maris. I mean the bubblies coming out of the tire. She's got a bit of a problem, folks. We're working on it. Put a little soap in this water, a little more. Alright, let's try this again. Put a little more soap in the water. Make it a little more bubbly. Check around this thing. Run this down. Nothing. I don't see Jack, Maris. Oh, look at this. Come here. Oh, that's a problem.
You're not going to be able to plug that,
No.
my love.
That is not a DIYer.
Can we throw the baby out with the bathwater?
Listen, I'm making a serious video here. Well, in this case, folks, this is it's leaking around the bead, and really, it's got to be taken off the rim and pretty much just cleaned, because the rim's not bent, and remounted and balanced. That's really the only way to fix that, and it's right around the wheel weight, so probably the wheel weight is just stopping it from the bead sitting right on the rim. That really kind of stinks, because I had a whole nice video planned. We were going to talk about it, discuss it. I was going to show you how to actually plug up a tire with the tire plug kit. But you know what? It's fine, because sometimes life gives you lemons, and you better get out the Tito's and some ice and make a vodka seltzer with a splash of lemon, because because there's nothing you can do. Well, at least there's no nails. Alright, well, tune in next time, folks. We'll have an exciting video on our hands. I'm going to be working on that boat I have in the backyard up on blocks. And I'm going to probably wax it, clean it a little bit. You know, not put it in the water or anything, just keep it on the blocks. But I'm going to clean it, maybe bottom paint it. And that's it. So thank you all for watching. We'll see you all next time.